This 36-inch GASLAND cooktop offers 5 sealed burners that cover everything from quick boiling to gentle simmering, making it a versatile centerpiece for a busy kitchen. The inclusion of Italian Sabaf burners gives the flame a very even, responsive feel, so pans heat predictably and delicate sauces are easier to control. Its heavy reversible cast iron plate works as both a grill and a griddle, holding heat well enough to put real sear marks on steaks while also handling pancakes or eggs evenly. The stainless steel surface and sealed burner design make cleanup straightforward, since spills stay on top and the grates lift off easily for a quick wipe down. Being able to switch between natural gas and liquid propane makes this cooktop practical for different homes, including compact spaces like recreational vehicles or mobile homes. Built-in flame failure protection and certification for North American standards add welcome peace of mind, especially in a household where multiple people use the cooktop.